क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है द आर्टरीज दैट सप्लाई द हार्ट मसल्स आर ब्रांचेस ऑफ। ऑप्शन है abdominal aorta, thoracic aorta, aortic arch एंड ascending aorta। तो ऑप्शन डी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, ascending aorta। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन आइडेंटिफाई द आर्टरी दैट कैरी deoxygenated blood। ऑप्शन ए umbilical artery, ऑप्शन बी pulmonary artery, ऑप्शन सी both A and B, ऑप्शन डी carotid artery। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी both A and B, umbilical artery and pulmonary artery। Next question. Question number fourth. Blood supply to the heart is maintained by option A pulmonary, option B coronary, option C aorta, option D myocardial। Correct answer is option B coronary। Next question. Posterior communicating artery is branch of option A internal carotid artery, option B external carotid artery, option C middle cerebral artery, and option D posterior cerebral artery। Correct answer is option A internal carotid artery। Next question. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a branch of first part of the maxillary artery? Option A greater palatine artery, option B middle meningeal, option C deep auricular, and option D inferior alveolar artery। Correct answer is option A। Next question. Left Question number 8. Right coronary artery supplies all except option A apex of heart, option B interventricular septum, option C interarterial septum, and option D SA node। Correct answer is option A apex of heart। Next question. Normal cardiac output in healthy adult is. Next question. Time duration of cardiac cycle is. Correct answer is option B 0.8 second। Question number 11. The blood circulation that is responsible for gas exchange between alveoli and the capillaries resulting in the oxygenation of blood is the option A coronary circulation, option B hepatic circulation, and option C pulmonary, and option D systemic। Correct answer is option C। Next question. Blood from the right side of the heart flows into the option A superior vena cava, option B pulmonary artery, option C pulmonary veins, and option D aorta। Correct answer is option B pulmonary arteries। Next question. The amount of blood that is ejected from the left ventricles in one contraction is called the option A cardiac output, option B stroke volume, option C preload, and option D afterload। Correct answer is option B stroke volume। Next question. Cardiac output can be calculated using option A CO is equal to tidal volume into heart rate, option B CO is equal to tidal volume into peripheral vascular resistance, and option C cardiac output is equal to peripheral vascular resistance into heart rate, and option D CO is equal to stroke heart into heart rate। Correct answer is option D। Next question. What is the sources that you might suspect if bright red blood is the backflowing into the tubing of an intravenous drip? Option A capillary blood, option B venous blood, option C arterial blood, and option D peripheral blood। Correct answer is option C arterial blood। Next question. The venous blood from organ to the digestive system such as stomach and intestine will drain into the option A portal vein, option B Mastrenic vein, and option C internal iliac vein, and option D lumbar vein। Correct answer is option A portal vein। Next question. Oxygen is carried by blood after it is combining with option A albumin, option B WBC, option C hemoglobin, and option D platelet. Correct answer is option C hemoglobin. Next question. Baroreceptor control. Option A blood pressure, option B arterial oxygen tension, option C SpO2, and option D stroke volume. Correct answer is option A blood pressure. Next question. Specialized cardiac muscles are present in layer of the heart. Option A epicardium, option B myocardium, option C endocardium, and option D pericardium. Correct answer is option B myocardium. Next question. One of the organ located in the mediastinum is the option A cerebellum, option B heart, option C stomach, and option D uterus. Correct answer is option B heart. Next question. Posterior surface of heart is formed by option A right atrium, option B left atrium, option C left ventricle, and option D left ventricle and right ventricle. Correct answer is option B left atrium. Next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 है कोरोनरी साइनस ओपन इनटू ऑप्शंस है इंफीरियर वेना केवा राइट एट्रियम लेफ्ट एट्रियम एंड ग्रेट कार्डिक वेन्स तो इसमें जो है ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा राइट एट्रियम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द नॉर्मल अमाउंट ऑफ पेरिकार्डियल फ्लूइड तो नॉर्मल अमाउंट पेरिकार्डियल फ्लूइड क्या होगा 5 to 10 20 to 50 ml एंड 50 to 100 ml एंड 100 to 200 ml तो इसका ऑप्शन जो है बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा 20 to 50 ml नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन The heart valves are lined by layer of the heart. Option A, epicardium. Option B, myocardium. Option C, endocardium. And option D, pericardium. The heart valves are lined by the layer of the heart. Correct answer is option C, endocardium. Next question. The pacemaker of heart is options A, Purkin's fiber, atrioventricular bundle, atrioventricular node and synovial node. तो इसका जो ऑप्शन है वो कौन सा सही हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी synovial nodes. Next question. SA node is located in option A in the wall of the right atrium, option B in the wall of the left atrium, and option C in the wall of atrioventricular septum, and option D है in the wall of the ventricular septum. So correct answer is option A in the wall of the right atrium. Next question. Slowest conduction is in option A SA node, option B Purkin's fiber, option C AV nodes, and option D bundle of the His. Correct answer is option C AV node. Next question. Distensions and the recoil of the blood vessels during systole and diastole is achieved through the property of the blood vessel. Option A peripheral vascular resistance, option B elasticity, option C diameter, and option D smooth muscle construction. Correct answer is option B elasticity. Next question. Question number 35. Vasoconstrictions leading to increased blood pressure is triggered by the following situation. Option A, stimulation of the parasympathetic nerve supply. Option B, stimulation of the cardioinhibitory center in the medulla. And option C, increased level of angiotensin II in the blood. And option D, increased level of the carbon dioxide in the blood. Correct answer is option C, increased level of angiotensin II in the blood. Next question. Question number 36. Baroreceptor help in option A stimulating respiration, option B stimulating sweating, option C maintaining BP, and option D stimulating thrust. Correct answer is option C maintaining BP. Next question. Artery supply to SA node is by option A left anterior descending coronary artery and option B posterior inventricular artery and option C left coronary artery and option D right coronary artery. Correct answer is option D right coronary artery. What is preload? Option A pressure in the ventricle at the end of the systole, pressure in the ventricle at the end of the diastole, and option C pressure in the aorta at the end of the systole, and option D pressure in the arteria at the end of the systole. Correct answer is option B pressure in the ventricle at the end of the diastole. Next question. The formula for ejection fraction is option A EF is equal to stroke volume by end diastolic volume. Option B ejection fraction is equal to CO by heart rate, and option C ejection fraction is equal to CO into heart rate by the end systolic volume, and option D ejection fraction is equal to stroke volume. So correct answer is option A. Question number 43. Most common sign associated with the decreased cardiac output is option A shortness of breath, option B peripheral edema, option C cardiac murmurs, and option D arthritis. Correct answer is option A shortness of breath. Next question. Heart sound are the result of option A movement of blood into the heart from the aorta, and option B blood flow through the heart, and option C closure of the heart valves, and option D contraction of the cardiac muscles. Correct answer is option C closure of the heart valves. Next question. When listening to heart sound, you can beat hair sound at the option A base of the heart, option B apex of the heart, option C aortic area, and option D second ICS to the left of the sternum. Correct answer is option B apex of the heart. Number 47. S1 heart sound correspond to option A closure of the aortic and pulmonary valve, option B closure of the aortic valve, and option C closure of the mitral and the tricuspid valve, and option D closure of the mitral valve. Correct answer is option C. Question number 51. Connection between artery and veins is known as option A capillaries, option B arterioles, and option C venules, and option D lymph. Correct answer is option A capillaries. Next question. The largest artery of the human body is option A aorta, option B carotid artery, option C subclavian artery, and option D pulmonary artery. Correct answer is option A aorta. Question number 53. Artery in anatomically snuff box is option A radial, branchial, ulnar, and interosseous. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Identify the blood vessel which carry blood into the right atrium. Option A inferior vena cava, option B superior vena cava, option C pulmonary veins, and option D both A and B. Correct answer is option D both A and B. Next question. Identify the blood vessels which carries blood into the left atrium. Option A inferior vena cava, option B superior vena cava, option C pulmonary vein, and option D both A and B. Correct answer is option C pulmonary vein. Next question. Largest artery is option A aorta, option B carotid, option C coronary, and option D femoral. Correct answer is option A aorta. Next question. Largest branch of vertebral artery is option A middle cerebral, option B posterior, and option C posterior inferior, option D posterior superior. Correct answer is option C posterior inferior cerebellar. Next question. Branch of external carotid artery. Option A inferior thyroid artery, option B facial artery, option C superior thyroid artery, and option D maxillary artery. Correct answer is option A inferior thyroid artery. Next question. Smallest vein is option A venules, capillary, lymph, and arterioles. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Smallest arteries. Option A arterioles, venules, capillaries, lymph. Correct answer is option A. Question. Which of the following is an artery of the forearms? Option A branchial artery, axillary, ulnar, and the femoral. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Gates Fonnius veins is present in body part. Option A trunk, spinal cord, abdomen, and legs. Correct answer is option D legs. Next question. The innermost layer of question number 69. All of the following veins in the body lake veils except option A femoral, portal, IVC, and dural venous sinus. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following is valveless? Option A portal system veins, Spanish veins, and the volatile veins and ulnar veins. Correct answer is option A portal system veins. Next question. Veins are an example of option A conducting vessels, distributing vessels, resistance vessels, and capacitance vessels. Correct answer is option D capacitance vessels. Question number 72. True about veils in the portal venous system. Option A present at the junction of the superior venous artery with the splenic artery, and option B within the portal veins only, and option C whole system is valveless, and option D in the intrahepatic portal of the portal veins. Correct answer is option C whole system in the valveless. Next question. IV infusion is avoided in option A long venous veins, cephalic veins, external jugular veins, and the internal jugular veins. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Pulmonary circulation carries option A oxygenated blood from the lungs to heart, option B deoxygenated blood from the heart to lungs, and option C oxygenated blood from the heart to lungs, and option D deoxygenated blood from the lungs to heart. Correct answer is option B deoxygenated blood from the heart to lungs. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द थिकेस्ट लेयर ऑफ द हार्ट वॉल इज ऑप्शन ए एपिकार्डियम, एंडोकार्डियम, मायोकार्डियम, पेरिकार्डियम। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, मायोकार्डियम। इस वीडियो में 75 क्वेश्चंस कवर करेंगे, बाकी के जो क्वेश्चंस है वो नेक्स्ट पार्ट में कवर करेंगे। तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। और ये जो वीडियो है आपकी सभी एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रहने वाली है, ठीक है। आपके चाहे नर्सिंग एग्जाम हो, जी फार्मासिस्ट का एग्जाम हो, कोई भी आपका पैरामेडिकल एग्जाम हो, सभी के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रहने वाली है। तो वीडियो को जरूर से देखें।